Yeah, and we like to think that a little bit of that was just, I mean, for Slidebean, honestly, this was a coincidence. One advantage we had is that when we decided to do video, like to dip our toes into this, which I was reluctant, I was inevitably biased towards doing it, but as CEO, I try to be unbiased in the decisions of what the company should do. Uh, anyway, we finally tested it out, and one of the advantages we had was that we had like three members of the team that had a background in video production. So we could, and we didn't hire them for that. We hired them for very different reasons. They had other roles in the company, but we have the advantage of saying, hey, why don't we do a video? Hey, you know a little bit about video editing, you know a little bit about production. I mean, let's carve out some time from your customer support job. Come help us make this video. So that's how the channel started internally. Now we have this cool advantage, which is that the YouTube channel is a marketing channel for us. And it's a marketing channel where Slidebean's willing to spend a good amount of money to produce. We're transparent about some of the numbers. So last year our YouTube channel cost around 120,000, something like that, if I recall correctly. Just salaries, production gear, whatnot. We made significantly more money than that from the YouTube leads and from the YouTube channel. But if I were just a YouTuber, I just could shed out $120,000 just because of that. So that's like this weird position that we found ourselves in, where Slidebean can generate revenue from the channel. It funds the channel. It funds our experiments. So we get to upgrade our gear sooner than we would if it was just me doing content. I have a personal YouTube channel, by the way, which also happens to sometimes borrow just the stuff that we purchased for Slidebean,
okay,
because it's there, and it's an advantage, inevitably.
Yeah.